Let me send this text now.
Friday morning clap up. If you don't know, we do everyday plumbing, the good, the bad, and the ugly. All while training my 2 sons a plumbing trade, and this is one of them, AB. We all know it's going to be a long journey, but well worth it because we all know plumbing ain't going nowhere, right? Right. All right, give me some energy. You just ate 2 bacon, egg, and cheeses. Is that necessary? For today's plumbing adventure, we are changing out a hose bib. Stay tuned and we'll see you inside. While we're here, we have an old boiler drain here that's stuccoed around. I got to chisel it out and we're going to put a hose bib in. That's going to be the plan because this thing's dripping. Boop, boop. I got you. Well, I thought I was filming, but I chiseled this all out of here. Okay. All right. Ange, come on up. You gotta stand them pipes, right?
I did.
What I'm going to do here is measure the bib and get the exact measurement I need in there for this here. Get it close for Angelo anyway. This way when he goes under, he can just cut it and press it. Get a measurement here. The boy needs to get in there. Alright. Put a plate on this joke so it's a little thicker. 5 3/4. 5 3/4. Ready. This plate, about a plate got come in here. Let this stuff go. Oh, you know what? Oh, I know what he's doing. I can measure it. Let's see if I can hit the pipe. I don't want to take a chance. I forgot I got the 1/2 inch of stucco here. Yeah, I'm gonna wait till he goes underneath. I'm gonna mount the plate, boom, like so. I mean, we're picking up. I'm gonna pick up an easy. We'll call the plate a plate of 8. Yeah, you wait. In case it moved also. I'm just gonna make it a little longer. I don't feel like doing 2 strips of there, so let's do this. So here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna make it a little long for AB. He can press it and cut it underneath. How's that sound? This way when he gets here, I can mount the plate and he can go down and cut it and secure it and turn the wood back on. One coupling, he'll be golden. There it is, I'm hitting it right there. So, alright, it's gonna be perfect. I did this before. I should have known better. I gotta take the female adapter off. Ready? Oh, no, that. Awesome. This is my mounting plate. These are awesome. Alright, let's do this, baby. What kind of stuff? The cool? Oh yeah. You do it right here. That's it. How's CB? Is he feeling better? I've seen the thing they sent out in Stockton. How was that?
Yeah, I had done with that.
Boom. See how it covers up the hole? Oh yeah, daddy. Now look, what are we going to need, right? I made it long because I didn't want to I didn't want you to have to go cut, you know what I mean? Out and under. You should have play in there. Matter of fact, we'll bring a slip coupling with you just in case you don't. I have 2 galvanized screws, Ange. I should go do stainless. Do I hit wood? I'm gonna go stainless, Ange. Let's go stainless here. Hit it all. Let's see that. Nah, I didn't. 2 galvanized. Enough galvanized. Right in the middle. 2-inch one. Okay. Pretty true. But yeah, same thing. 2 inch. Let's do this all. Yep, nothing. Nothing doing.
It's happening, right?
What's that? Yes, everything's in the trap hole over there for you. Oh, oh, too much, not too much. Got one? All right. So, cut, clean, and press, and then we'll turn it on while you're under there. Nice and slow. Get that out of here if it wasn't for my boo-boo on the supplies. Again, on the supplies, it's a constant battle. It's a constant battle on the supplies. I'll do a little coaching while I'm down here. Yeah. Oh, there we go. Oh my gosh. See, I put a new valve there because the T, you know.
Alright, so I had this coupling on this line right here.
Right.
Regular coupling.
Okay.
And then I just marked out on the top on the actual bib. I pulled the pipe down to where it would be in the coupling and marked it.
That's it. You're a plumber. Do it, dog.
Hold on, before I do. The pipe goes in the seal there, right? That's where I marked it.
Put the coupling on. Come over here before we have a boo-boo.
Yeah, that's what I'm like.
Who don't love Friday? Who don't love plumbing on a Friday when it's 80 degrees out? This is real simple. See, I would have cut that one out. All right. Is this the new one?
That's the old one.
That's the old one.
That's what I said before or after the coupling. I said before.
Oh, all right. Too late now. All right. Just hold on the way. Look, you can see that, right?
I got a mark right here.
I can't see it. You see the markings on the coupling? On the stop coupling?
Yeah.
Go ahead, mark it. I'll show you where to mark it. No. It goes all the way into the dot.
Okay, yeah.
And you gotta play this way. So you don't need a slip coupling. You're golden. Got it, dog. If I had known that.
That's why I asked.
I know. I didn't know what you did. You said either way.
You said either way.
I know. And you chose this way, but
you know, what if I chose this way?
I would just have to put a longer piece of pipe in, the bib.
Would you have known though?
No, but if we were together, I would have, but we gotta run the splines. You know? Get that mark on. Might get a little tight here. Make sure it gets on the rollers.
Yeah.
There it is.
Lincoln red.
Oh, last cut. Oh, that'd be great, huh? Don't push it too hard outside. Let me see something here. How fun is this?
How bright's that light?
How fun is this? All right, we go outside, turn the valves on slowly. I'll get the shots, okay?
You going outside here?
Yeah. We good? Here. All right. Water. Did we get her done?
Got it done.
Quick hose bib change. The life of ProPress is just beautiful. Are we all done? Did we get her done?
You got it done?
What we got? What we got?
That's all you dog.
Nah, dude. Bring the energy today.
I've been bringing that energy.
And there goes another satisfied customer.
How you doing, Eka?
I just did this. Have a great weekend, everybody. I got interrupted by the phone call. Like that! And there goes another satisfied customer! See you at the next one. CB!
Lunch at 10:30.
Clap up! Let's get the clap up. This is CB2 on the phone, everybody. Look, it's all three of us. Me, Angelo, and CB. Say hi.
Oh my God. I'm about to drive to Linwood and go take a nap.
Give me a clap up!
I'm not going to eat Wawa and sit in the sun for an hour right now, CB. What's the jive here?
Hey, see you at the shop then. Clean the truck, clean the shop, do something. Clap up!
Dude, what?
Bye.
He was going so bad.